Jumping into the S&P today, we whole lot of nothing. Again, played the back and forth game between the two zones right here. Now, the futures just opened up, and they gapped up into that zone. So that's where our first sellers were at. So that is good to see. I'm sure someone's going to talk about the gap fill. I don't necessarily care about that, especially to the upside in a bullish market. Of course it is. Right now, with that gap up, we could. It's a zone until not, right? So we're looking for a rejection. You're looking for sellers right here. In theory, you should be probably short with a stop right here. I would be looking for the dip buy on this one. Told you guys yesterday I was bullish. Nothing's changed. As far as the expected move, all we did was drop right down to it. Well, sorry, we got outside of it, reined it back in, bounced off it again, kind of hung out. This week, I expect to end. If tomorrow's bullish and we end the day right, in the week right here, we did nothing. It's gonna be a gap down and a green candle, but that's it. The NASDAQ right here, again, played a lot of the zone to zone. For you futures traders out there, you'd be long here, you'd be short here. So, shout out to my admin. I know he nailed a short right here to Cody. Same thing. This gapped up, hit that zone, sold off a little bit right now. Again, I would be bullish. As far as the expected moves go, same thing, same story. Grandpa Dow looks like he finally got out a little bit. Kind of pushed up, sold off, kind of working its way up, trying to get himself out of the old folks' home. He was stuck in that zone for a while. But that's going to be, we're just shy. So I bet Grandpa Dow hits all-time highs tomorrow. We'll end the weekend there. The Russell doing a whole lot of nothing. If you're trading the futures, you would go short here, go long here. Until that horizontal pattern changes, you'll just keep making the same trade. Now, I do have some Apple calls. So